Are we the right fit for you? With so many bathroom remodeling choices out there, how do you know if 5-Star Bath Solutions is the right fit for you? We're a locally family-owned bathroom remodeler with the quality and safety that comes with a national brand. We are locally run in your city with local owners that do things right. We believe everyone deserves a clean and safe bathing experience, and so we provide several services at the right price for our customers. We back everything we do with a locally serviced, fully transferable lifetime warranty. We guarantee our customers great results without having to pay top dollar. We strive for a convenient, hassle-free bathroom remodeling experience, and in many cases, complete your bathroom in as little as 1 to 2 days. Ultimately, we are an affordable, easy, quality bathroom remodeling service, and we back that statement with thousands of positive reviews. If you're looking for a functional, good-looking bathroom from a trusted family-owned company that does what they say they're going to do for an affordable price, then try us first. Book your free in-home estimate and see how we can provide your family with a safe, clean bathing experience at a modest price.